Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all another protective style. I am starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and as you all can see here, as I rinsed out the deep conditioner, I did go ahead and section my hair off into 4 sections, and that's to just basically keep everything detangled. I have super tangly hair, and detangling sometimes is the most time consuming part. I am going to start off with a very curved part in the front. So one side of my head is going to have more hair on one side than the other. And I'm basically going to go with my traditional 2 sections in the front, and we'll work on the back all together. I am going to go row by row in the back, and I will be doing 2 strand twists all over my entire head. I will say my parts are not super straight, but honestly for this hairstyle it really doesn't matter as much. For my moisturizer, I am going to be using Uncle Funky's Daughter Super Curl. I really like how this moisturizer just really get into my hair strands. I will add a little bit of water, and the water really helps me spread the product along my hair strands so that I'm not using too much product or more than what's needed. To top the moisturizer off, I am going to apply the Dew Mousse Def right on top. This just provides a really nice hold as well as a little bit of shine for the hairstyle. I am going to be twisting very tightly because we will be pinning these twists up, and I do not want any of them to unravel or come loose. So once you get to the ends of every single 2 strand twist, you're also going to want to make sure you coil the ends around your finger. And of course, making sure everything is thoroughly detangled before you begin the twisting process is always a must. If you want to cut some time out of the styling process, you can go ahead and moisturize your entire head all over with the Super Curl. I wouldn't add the mousse at first because the mousse does have a little bit of hold to it, but you could just use the Super Curl, go all over your head, making sure every strand is moisturized, and then you could just add the mousse as a topper as you do your twists one by one. Because these twists are actually medium sized, they're not mini twists, this entire hairstyle could actually be done in about an hour and a half, but that doesn't include the drying time that you need to sit up under the dryer, which you all will see further in the video. But I will say this is one of my protective styles that I like to do on a weekly basis that is very stress-free. It doesn't take any time at all, and it really doesn't take a whole lot of creativity. So it's really simple and definitely beginner friendly. Here's what the back is looking like. I am going to go ahead and move on to the front. In the front, I do try to make my twists a tad bit smaller, but they're not too much smaller. And that's just to create that fullness in the front for the bang that you all see in the thumbnail. And just like that, we are more than 3/4 of the way done with this hairstyle. I am really loving how juicy every single one of these twists look. I am just like such a fan of 2 strand twists. I don't know why, but I am. I don't think I'll ever not be a fan of 2 strand twists. And I am going to go ahead and do this side off camera. I'm going to come back and sit up under the dryer. I show this clip of me sitting in the dryer in most of my videos because it is actually a very important step for actually allowing your hair to set into place and to get that hold that you are looking for hairstyles. This particular day, I only sat up under there for about 30 minutes. I came out, put my bonnet on, and actually got ready for bed, and I actually did the styling process the next day. If you actually like how your twists look hanging down, you could actually wear your twists hanging down for a few days before unraveling them for a twist out. Me, on the other hand, I'm looking for a protective style, okay? You all know by now I actually do not like touching my hair up a whole lot in the morning, so I'm about to go ahead and style this. So I am showing you all the direction that my roll twist is going to be going in, and all I'm doing is rolling my hair in a roll twist and picking up hair as I go. And I'm going to do this from this side of my head all the way throughout the back into the other side, and I am going to seal the deal, pin it up with just a few bobby pins. When you start bobby pinning your hair, do not put them in a direction or placement that is actually uncomfortable. You want these bobby pins to not bother you at all, because you do want your hair to be able to stay up like this for at least a week in a comfortable way. If you feel like you don't have a strong grip on your hair, what you can do is bobby pin the twist as you are going. For me, I have been doing this style since I was in college, so I have a really good handle with the hole. But if you're new to this, just use bobby pins to actually secure this roll twist as you are twisting your hair. And of course, you want to put these bobby pins in a placement where they are not seen. Sometimes I make a mistake and they're like totally visible, but if you can help it, pin your hair so that no one can actually see the bobby pins. And with a few pins, this is what my hair is looking like, but we are actually not done. These edges need just a little bit of slaying, so I am actually going to use my edge booster just to lay down my edges a little bit. I am kind of due for an edge up in the back, but honestly, I'm just a little too lazy to do it this week. But at some point, I'm going to get that nape together, but I am going to slit down these edges just a little bit, only on this side, give myself a little bit of shine spray, and I am going to tie my hair down for about 5 to 10 minutes before I step out the door. After about 10 minutes, my edges are nice and laid. But one thing I absolutely love about this hairstyle is the fact that it is so effortless, and it looks effortless. It looks like you're not trying too hard. It looks like you're just going with the flow, keeping it cool, calm, cute, and collected as always. And I just love the natural look, and I love how it is beginner friendly. It is super easy to do, and you can literally take this hairstyle down, wear your curls out into a twist out at the end of the week if you like. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video, found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya.